Hello friends, how are you? I am Raihan. I have bought you a special product, very special product. Product name MintSuite. Product description: ClickFunnels and Aweber without monthly payments. Create unlimited website funnel and send unlimited email for unlimited profits. No monthly fees and make money at the same time. You can have everything you need: funnel and unlimited email. This is demo video.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're being held captive and you're paying your own ransom month after month, but they never let you go? Well, you have kidnappers doing this to you right now. I'm talking about funnel building services like ClickFunnels and GetResponse. While they do provide a valuable service, they force you to pay up to $297 a month. And you're paying more than $2,500 per year, $25,000 over 10 years. That's enough for a car. And you probably feel trapped, stuck with them, because you don't want to lose websites, funnels, landing pages, or squeeze pages, and even your autoresponder. Well, here's a dirty little secret. Those companies you're making big monthly payments to are paying pennies for the services they provide. That's right, they're tucking in a hefty profit from you every month. That's the real reason they make it seem like you can't take your business elsewhere. Well, friend, I have some good news for you. You can stop those money leaks right here, right now, presenting MintSuite. We saw what they're doing to you and everyone else and decided to break the chains binding you to their services once and for all. Introducing MintSuite. MintSuite has all the important services you need: reliable website builder and all-in-one autoresponder with no monthly funnels, Aweber, and GetResponse. That's right. Income stream to your business? That's the best part of all. We're including a commercial license with your MintSuite account so you can share access with your friends, family, and clients. Remember, they're paying big bucks every month, just like you used to before you joined MintSuite. They'll save it.
First 100 buyer get a premium agency website to make selling and profiting from MintSuite quicker and easier. Get MintSuite at low one-time price. Click here to get instant access. We are already using it in your business to great success. Today, $860.65 started. $670.47. Last 7 days, 1056.30. 30. Save thousand upon thousand of dollars with unlimited everything. Feature: unlimited funnels, premier funnel template, puts called server hosting, button image graphics, premier security, unlimited bandwidth, leads faster, support desk, unlimited subscribers, send unlimited email, best open rates, lifetime membership. So there you are held captive by those kidnappers. MintSuite. MintSuite latest you dominated. Was this MintSuite demo video? MintSuite takes care of all your business needs. Build unlimited page and funnel with Funnel Joy. Send unlimited email to unlimited subscribers. MintSuite is like an all-inclusive restore for your business. Just pay one and everything includes. Let's look at the 4-part solution you get for one low fee. There a good chance you are using or want to use ClickFunnels to build beautiful sale page and sell funnels, and for good reason. It's a great service, but it is also one of the most expensive service out there. If you want the full features, you have to lay out $297 every month. That's a crazy. 3,564 every year. That means ClickFunnels costs you a year every 10 years, and that's if they are nice and don't decide to drop another price hike on you. MintSuite to the reserve include in your low one-time purchase is MintSuite, the ridiculously easy to use but high quality conversion funnel builder. MintSuite builds better converting funnel faster. Proven converting page, funnel and membership set up with a click. Clone page or interior funnel to leapfrog past the setup steps. Increase your average order value with order booms and upsells. Create unlimited website, sell page and blogs. Create unlimited landing page. We host your page at no extra cost. (24/7 days exceptional customer support. What about my existing page and funnel on ClickFunnels or other funnel builders? Mint Pages breaks the ClickFunnels chains. Today MintSuite changed everything in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Upload. Upload your leads or generate web forms. Step 2. Select. Select any form high converting email template in various niche. Step 3. Send. Send unlimited emails to your unlimited subscriber and start getting results like this. MintSuite replacement your monthly subscription with a low one-time payment with compromise. Unlimited drag drop funnel builder equal Goodbye ClickFunnels. Get unlimited email, unlimited leads, better delivery, more open, click and sell in one time, low fee. Listen to what real MintSuite customers have to say. Ili say, "This is truly an incredible app." If you want to know more, then you can visit my website. My website raihanolproductreview.com. Review with Raihanol. Visited. MintSuite review. My YouTube video. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, then you can see the product. Thank you. Bye.